everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time for another Chatty Get Ready with me. If you're new to my channel, what I do is just put on my makeup and talk about what's been going on in my life. Now, before I get started, which I have already done my skincare and put my primer on. Before I get started, I'm going to do a tiny little haul for you. This week, I was on Tuesday. Was it Tuesday or was it Monday? Monday. I'm sorry. On Monday, Dawn, one of my subscriber friends, now we can just say friends, Dawn came to town and she and I went out to lunch and we went and got pedicures and we had a wonderful afternoon. So Dawn, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it. But she brought me gifts, which she did not have to, but she brought me gifts. So let me show you. First, look at the bag, the gift bag. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. So she made me, it's all right here. Look at this tote bag. Is that not me? That is so me. And look, she embroidered my initials on it. She embroidered the initials on it. Isn't that is just beautiful. And I was noticing later that the green stitching actually has some sparkle in it. So that is definitely me. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but there's sparkle in the stitching. And then inside was this little bag to kind of go with it. And a couple of spongelles. Let me get my stuff. I don't want to. I'm gonna lose all my stuff here. Let me move my bag here. So she gave me a couple spongelles. I've been waiting before I put them up. She gave me the cherry tonka musk and the Bulgarian rose. So thank you so much, Dawn. I had a wonderful afternoon, and my toes are so pretty and patriotic blue. Oh, that smells so good. So, yes, thank you. Thank you. So, that's what I did this week on Monday. There we go. So, now, let's get started with the makeup. It's hot. I'm sure everybody's hot. We're all hot. It's just hot right now. So, when Dawn and I, when we got back in my car after getting our pedicures, my car said it was 99. Oh, hot, hot. All right. I am filming this on Wednesday because Thursday we're headed to Charlotte. I'll be down there Thursday and Friday, so you're seeing this on Friday. I'll be already in Charlotte and have already been shopping. So I'm really looking forward for another little short getaway. Just a little getaways are nice. So I am so looking forward to that. And we've mapped out a plan. We're going to IKEA and then the Concord Mills Mall. I hope to film. I'm going to try to film. And then on Friday we are going to South Park Mall. We're going to meet my niece for lunch. And we're going to go to the South Park Mall and then some record stores and stuff that my husband and my son want to go to. So, that is the plan. So, I'm excited. Oh, my hair. On Saturday, we went down to Greenville and saw the movie The Sparks Brothers. It's a documentary. Excellent, excellent. If you're into music, if you're into the 80s, if you're like me and you loved 80s music, you'll remember Sparks. And so, yeah, that was a really good documentary. I'm glad we did that. I'm glad we went down and did that. So, and then we did just a little shopping. I didn't film anything. I didn't feel like there was anything really worthy of filming while we were down there. But yeah, so I'm glad we did that. That was fun. Have I done anything else fun this week? No, took my son to the dentist. That's not fun. Well, it didn't bother me. It wasn't fun for him. Anything else? No. Slow week. Oh, my niece's birthday party. Cookout for my niece's birthday party. That was nice. It was just immediate family, just like we always do. And so yeah, that was nice to see everybody. And that was about it. I mean, it's more than I had done during COVID, but yeah, that was it. I didn't go out anywhere else. And like I said, this is Wednesday, so I've got this big weekend coming up, and I don't know what we're going to do for the 4th. We might go see fireworks. I don't know. If we do, what we do, we go to this area called Biltmore Park. And Biltmore Park is one of these residential areas. It's a, I guess what you call a planned community. There's different tiers of little neighborhoods, price points. But then the center part is there's shops, and up above the shops are condos. I hope I'm making sense. So the condos are up above, the shops are down below, and then off is the neighborhoods around there. And we go to one of the parking garages, and if we go to the parking garage and go against this one side, we can see the fireworks perfectly. So we can be right by our car in the parking garage. And it used to be our secret, but over the years more people have been coming. So, but we get there early, we stake out our claim, bring our camp chairs, sit in the parking garage, and just wait for the fireworks, and then we just pack up and leave. That's an enjoyable way to watch fireworks, not go get in the mess where they're actually shooting off the fireworks and all that. We'll avoid that area. But we didn't have fireworks last year, so I think maybe we'll go do that this year. That's always just something fun to do. We usually park and stake out our spot, and then we go shop. And since we're going to Charlotte, I think that might be a good idea just to go see fireworks. Anything else coming up? I have no plans for anything after this weekend. I got no plans for anything, so yeah, just be home for a little while. And I got a lot of stuff I need to do around the house. I really do. I was looking at my house thinking, man, I've got to do some cleaning and picking up, and it's a little cluttered right now. I'm not gonna lie, house is a little cluttered. So maybe that'll be next week. Oh, I gotta go down and see Meemaw one day next week. Maybe Monday we'll go down to see Meemaw. Then I'll clean my house. But yeah, she's not been feeling well, so she's really not been up to visitors. I hate to hear that, but I mean, she told my sister, you know, she would love to see us. She's just not, other people she's been not wanting to see because she didn't feel like visiting. And I'm like, I didn't want to bother her if she's just not feeling well. So hopefully she'll be feeling better by Monday. I'll see how she's doing. I do need to go see her because I haven't seen her since the pandemic. I've talked to her, but I haven't seen her. Not in person, so. All right, it's looking good. One thing Dawn told me, and I totally understand. She said I go really fast when I'm doing these Chatty Get Ready with me. And I do. These are more about just chit-chatting and not about the actual applying the makeup. So I have decided that I will do maybe once a week an actual makeup tutorial. I've been really thinking about what I can film that you guys would really be interested in, that other people would be interested in and might start watching my channel. So I think I will do actual tutorials for you, one a week. This Chatty Get Ready with me is just putting on my makeup for the day and just telling you what's going on in my life. So yeah, that's a plan. She also gave me another idea, which I'm going to film here really soon. I gotta sit down and do some thinking about it. She asked me what YouTube channels I watch, and I was thinking, wow, you know, what YouTube channels do I watch? Because I watch a lot. So I'm going to do a couple of videos. I'm going to do one video telling you the channels I watch on a regular basis that have nothing to do with beauty. And then I'm going to do one that is just beauty. And I was thinking, I have so many friends with beauty channels that I watch. I don't want to offend anybody. So that one I will list in alphabetical order to be fair to everybody. But, gosh, it's hot. the other one I'll do in categories because I like all kinds of different things, and you might not be interested in the things I'm interested in. You know, that's how it usually goes. So I will just do that. Do other categories. You might be surprised by some of the things I like. Okay, this week it's the Huda Topaz, and I believe I don't need my Kat Von D with this. So let's get started. Let me zoom you in. Hit the right button. Come on. I may need a new battery. There, I think it's pretty good. You can see that. I hope I'm not out of frame. I am sweating. It's not hot flash, it's hot, period. It is just hot. My mother-in-law's, am I out of frame? No, it's too far to. Maybe that, is that better? Huh, I hope so. Whew. The sweat is beating up on my face. My mother-in-law's air conditioning went out. So they've had 3 estimates. They've been without it for a month. Geez, it went out right before we went to the beach. And that night, I spent the night with her before we went to the beach. I was miserable. I wouldn't tell her that, but I could not sleep. I just couldn't sleep. And it's still out. We were over there for Meredith's birthday party, and I was so hot I couldn't eat. I ate about half of my burger, ate nothing else, and I brought what I had on my plate home with me and ate that later once I got cooled down. But it was miserably hot. Look at the sweat on me. Can you see how I'm breaking out in a sweat? Woo. I've got to figure out something. That fan I had made too much noise. You guys could hear it. So I've got to come up with a plan. I could film at night maybe. Would that be cooler though? I don't know. Once I'm right here next to my kitchen, and once I cook in my kitchen, and I have the crock pot going, that might add some heat. Oh, I'm sweating. All right, let's see. I'm going to use, I think I'm going to go ahead and go in with this brown and go ahead and put that in my crease. I knew before I sat down to film it was going to be hot. Yes, I'm sweating, sweating, sweating. I might have to stop the video and go cool off. Hope you can see that. I think you can. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I was just sweating so bad. I went and grabbed my fan. I went into right by the air conditioning vent and cooled off and fanned, and I got some iced tea. So hopefully this will help. There we go. Now back to doing my eyes. Like I said, sorry guys. So next, what am I gonna use? I think I'm gonna just do another simple eye without being too, you know, dramatic. I'm gonna go with this shimmer right here. I'm going to take that and put it on the corners of my lid, leave the center empty. Let's see, will my brush work? Let me try wetting my brush, or I'll use my finger. Can you see? Yes. There we go. Wetting the brush works. Alright. other side. I don't know why I put my makeup on so quickly. It must be from years of doing makeovers, and you have, you know, you have people lined up. Maybe that's why, I don't know. Because I hear people say that it takes them like a really long time to do their makeup, and I'm like, it didn't take me long. Alright, I'm going to go with this one right here. I think I'm just going to go ahead and take it on my finger and put it in the center. There we go. Now I'm going to take my little detail brush, go back into that dark brown, and go under my lower lash line. When I start doing tutorials, I'll go a little more in depth what I'm doing. Okay, now what I'm going to do is go off camera, put my mascara on, and I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. There, I got my eyes done, and yes, fanning. Woo. Okay. I've got my color wheel, and I'm going to do my bronzer out of the color wheel. There we go. I like this tiara. This is like a beauty queen tiara. I had a tiara. I won from a pageant. It's the only pageant I've ever been in, and I won. I was queen. And I got to ride in the parade. And that's about all I remember of that. Okay. Put my highlighter on. That tiara is long gone. I have no idea where it's at. I was, I think, 5 years old when that happened. So, there we go. Now, lips. I'm just going to throw on this Revlon, it's the Super Lustrous lipstick in Champagne on Ice. You know what? Out of all the lipsticks I own, I mean, there's so many nice ones. The Revlon is really, really good. I'm fine buying Revlon lipsticks. I think they're great. And there we go. That's the finished look. So guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that. If you did, I would love it if you would subscribe. If you really did like it, please give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.